Papakain na si Tito. Tawag na siya nung kanyang mga alaga.
Don't look so sad.
Video ko.
I know it's over. But life goes on.
Ilan mo na yan to?
In this old world, we'll keep on turning.
Mag-aapat na buwan na pala to sa July 25. Malapit na harvestin.
Let's just be glad we had some time to spend together.
Sila.
There's no need to watch the bridges that were burning. Lay your head
Ito, tumalit na to kasama nung apat na nandun. Naiiwan talaga, no?
on my pillow.
Kumain ka na kumain. Habol na yung ako.
Hold your warm and tender body close to mine.
O, tinan mo, small, medium, large.
Hear the whisper of the raindrops
Hi, Tita.
flowing
Good morning.
soft against the window.
Yes. Morning, man.
And make believe you love me one more time
Yan ang buhay dito sa bundok ng labi.
for the good times. I'll get along and you'll find another, and I'll be here if you should find you ever need
Dalaga,
me.
livestock.